Today we are going to learn one of the hospitality share, that is KMC Specialty Hospitals Limited. Its market cap is 648 crore, current price is 39.7, 52 weeks high is 47.4, 52 weeks 52 weeks low is 14.6. Its stock PE is 62.7, book value is 3.31, dividend yield is 0, ROCE is 32.8, which is very good, ROE is 26.2, which is very good, face value is 1. Okay, so if you see, it has made 52 weeks high very recently in May month, and currently trading near the 52 weeks high. Company has delivered a good profit growth of 164.90 CAGR over the last 5 years. Company has good return on equity track record for last 3 years, that is 25.33. Okay, stock is trading at 12.01 times of book value. The company is reporting repeated profits, it is not paying any dividend. Let us see on that. If you see peer comparison, KMC Specialty, its PE is par with the other companies. Net profit on quarter we can see net profit. Sales also increased. ROC is very good, that is 32.82, and you can see the sales also getting increased from quarter to quarter. If you see here, from March 2018 the sales was 17.31, and it is continuously increasing quarter on quarter, and in December quarter you can see it is 28.98. Its operating profit also is increasing quarter on quarter, and its operating profit margin, that is also increasing, which is very good for any business. And profit after tax, if you see profit after tax, that also is increasing quarter on quarter. EPS also increasing quarter on quarter. One good thing to note down is share capital is very less, that is 16 crore. So it is a micro cap company. Its cash flow is very good. If you see, net cash flow is -1, so it is generating the cash efficiently. If you see the ratios, ROCE is 33%, which is very good. Debtor days are reduced, that is a good indicator. Inventory turnover also less. And if you see here the shareholder pattern, promoters holding 75%, and they have not pledged any shares, and it is not decreased also. So promoters having a very good confidence on their company. And now it is a COVID situation in India and in the world. It yet to stabilize, so the demand for hospital bed is very high. The treatment cost for COVID treatment also very high. And if you see, there is a additional COVID related issues like black fungus, white fungus, yellow fungus. That treatment also very good here, and the cost of the treatment also very high. That means the hospitals business, they will generate a net cash flow, they will have a net profit, they will increase in 2022 also compared to 2020 and 2021. So they have declared a result. So let us review the result. Okay, so here it is the result, it is declared today. So total income is 3072 in March 2021. Profit before tax is 739. Profit after tax is 528. So we can do a comparison, okay, compared to quarter on quarter and year on year, and let us see whether it is generating a profit and it is growing or not. So if you see here the income, so quarter on quarter there is a 5% increase compared to December to March 21. Year on year there is a 30% increase in the income. Expenses, quarter on quarter there is no much increase, and year on year it is 19% increase. If you see operating profit margin is 23% quarter on quarter. It is very good. It is generating a operating profit efficiently. And if you compare year and year, it is 84%. Similarly, the profit, if you see quarter on quarter, there is 26% increase in profit, and if you compare year and year, it is 88% increase in the profit. So net this company is generating sufficient income, expenses are managed, operating profits are increased, total profit after tax, that is also increased. And now, as we know, since the demand for hospital beds, hospitalization are increasing, this profit will further increase in the coming quarters. So we can expect share to react positively, and since promoter holding is 75% and share capital is very less, it is going to become multi-bagger in 2022. So today results are declared. Okay, so those are holding this share, it will give good return in the days to come, as the demand for hospitalization, hospital beds are increasing, profits are going to increase. From the result point of view, results are good. Quarter on quarter there is a positive, year on year there is a positive. So this will become a multi-bagger in 2022, and share price to go up towards 60 plus in the days to come. I request all of you to do your own research before investing. Thank you.